tank has a capacity of 6 liters. Means that the total amount of water that can be put inside the tank without it overflowing is only 6 liters. It was 3/8 filled at first. Okay, at this point of time, stop first. Remember what I always teach you all. Don't read every single thing and then look at the question at the bottom before starting. No, don't do that. Okay? Look at the first couple of sentences and see what other additional information you can get from this at this point of time. Now, they say that a tank has a capacity of 6 liters and it was 3/8 filled at first, which means that what can you find now? You can find the amount of water that is inside the tank. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So 3/8 multiplied by 6 liters. Okay, so what will that give us? So 3 multiplied by 6, 18/8. And this one will give us 2 and 2/8, which is 2 and 1/4 liters, which is equivalent to 2 liters and 250 ml. Because 1/4 liter is 250 ml. Okay, wait, let me adjust the camera. Okay. Now, then they said that I can pour an additional 675 milliliters of water into the tank. Okay, pause. Stop. Now, at this point of time, you take this and add it to this first. Okay, so you take 2250 ml plus 675 ml. So what will that give us? So you take 2250 plus 675, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 7, 2, 1, 1, 2, 6 is 9, so it's 2925 ml. Now at this point of time, you will realize that what have you found out? You have first found out the amount of water inside the tank. Then you have found out how much water is inside the tank after I can pour an additional 675 ml water into the tank. So at this point of time, you realize I haven't even read the question, but I have all this information. And you will find out that if you have all this information in the beginning, it's much easier for you to do the question. Okay, then they say, how much more water is needed to fill the tank completely? Right now, I'm only left with one step. I will take the total capacity minus the amount of water that's inside to find out how much more water is needed to fill the tank completely. So do you realize that every single time I read a few sentences, then I try to find additional information, and then I read the next one, then I try to find more information. It actually makes my job a lot easier. So use this method. Because the more information you have, the easier it is for you to do, and the lesser chance for you to panic and freak out in the middle of examination. Okay, so I'm going to take the total capacity, which is 6,000, minus this 2925. Okay, so 6,000 minus 2925. Okay, borrow 1, 10, 9, borrow 1, 10, 9. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. So answer is 3075. 3075 ml of water. Okay, so remember, do not rush into the question. Go slowly. Read sentence, get more information by yourself. Read another sentence, get more information by yourself. However, with that said, not every single sentence you are able to get additional information. But in the case that you can read a sentence and get additional information like this, do it. If not, it's okay. Carry on reading. Most of the time for problem sums, you can actually use this method. Okay, so don't worry. Alright, done.